I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at why you can't just throw away a computer or other piece of e-waste in your normal trash pickup. So I put this old computer case out with my bulk trash, and it wasn't taken, and I think it makes sense why it wasn't, because it's still got some circuit boards and things in here, and even though it's pretty much a blank case at this point. And it turns out that a lot of those components include some things that as they break down can release chemicals. So a lot of the capacitors, for example, in there have chemicals in there that you don't want to have leaching out in a landfill. So this would be considered e-waste. It has to be sent separately. Most cities, including where I am in Contra Costa County in California, they have dedicated e-waste pickup locations. And in many cases, the great thing with this is that the materials in there can be recycled. So these are sent to special facilities. They take out the materials that are hazardous, and there's actually some recoverable metals in there, particularly gold. There's a lot of gold because it conducts electricity well. It's used in circuit boards, and they can start to extract some of that. And so often you can actually drop off e-waste for free because it is reprocessed and recycled, and some of that gold and other valuable materials are taken out. But if you're wondering why you can't just drop it in your normal trash or they won't pick it up for bulk trash, again, some of those hazardous materials, just find an e-waste place to drop it off, usually free, and they'll probably send it to a facility that'll break it down to its components, get rid of the hazardous pieces, and extract those metals to be used in more electronics in the future.